Okay, good morning. Good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we discuss yesterday? The new topic, maxima and minima. Maxima, local maxima, absolute maxima, greatest value, or maximum value, greatest value, local maximum value. Okay, these are all are same. What is the second derivative test? Main test, x is equal to c is a point of local maxima if f dash of c is equal to 0, f dash of x is equal to 0, and f double dash of c less than 0. Okay, f double dash of x is equal to 0 and f double dash of c less than 0 means that function has local maxima or absolute maxima at x is equal to c. Next, so therefore f of c is the maximum value of the given function. F of c is the maximum value of the given function. So next one, x is equal to c is a point of local minima if f dash of x is equal to 0 and f double dash of x greater than 0. Okay, at f of c is the local minima of the given function. Okay, this is the local maxima, local minima. Yesterday some problems are discussed. Some direct functions and modulus type functions, two types are completed. Next, third one is intervals in between that value, the maximum value or minimum value, only in between the interval. The first model, yesterday the first model problem, there is no limit. Okay, direct, this is limit up to in between, this value only, in between value, find the maximum value of in between, find the minimum value of in between. Intervals, normal conditions are given, this type of conditions. Okay, so find the local maxima and local minima if the following functions. In the textbook, exercise 6.5, exercise 6.5, third problem. This is the one of the type. Find the local maxima and local minima. Find the local maxima and local minima of the following functions. Find also local maximum value and minimum, and also find the local maximum value and local minimum value for the following stop. Find local maxima and local minimum values. First one, f of x is equal to x square. What is the working rule? Working rule first one, f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x is equal to 0 and find the values. And first term and last term in the given interval. So derivative what first? Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to what? 2x. Now next second one, f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x, okay, f dash of x, we have to calculate f dash of x, and next one is f dash of x is equal to 0 and find out solutions and our roots. X is equal to 2x is equal to 0 means x is also 0 except there is no interval. So what is the minimum value or maximum value? Minimum value or maximum value? Which value? Which that problem has which value? Maximum value or minimum value? How to decide? F double dash of x. Second derivative test. F dash of x means one time derivative. Again derivative with respect to x. F double dash of x means f dash of x is equal to 2x. F double dash of x is equal to what? 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 is greater than or less than? But f double dash of x greater than 0 means this is maximum value or minimum value, local maxima or local minima. Greater than 0 means local minima. Minimum value is there. So what is the minimum value? Find out, calculate. So f of what is x is f of 0. F of 0 is equal to 0 square root. So that is equal to 0. Therefore the local minima or local maxima, this is 0 value. F of c is the value of the local minima or local maxima. F of c is the value. Okay. So 0. If this 0 is this minimum value or maximum value? Minimum value, because f double dash of x greater than 0. F double dash of c, okay, f double dash of c greater than 0 means minimum, local minimum, minima. F double dash of x less than 0 means local maxima. So the local minimum value is 0. Okay. Next, at the same time second problem, x cube minus 3x, g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x. The homework. Next fourth one, h of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. H of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. What is the next one? We have to derivate with respect to derivative with respect to, there is no thinking. Okay, there is no thinking, don't thinking, direct. So next one is given function, next immediately derivative of a function. H dash of x is equal to sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x. Next, h dash of x equal to 0. 0 means find out x values. So cos x in the interval, also given interval 0 less than x less than pi by 2, 0 less than x less than pi by 2. What is the meaning of given interval? That x value we have to find out. Which type of value? In between, only in between 0 to pi value only. So cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So cos x is equal to sin x. So sin x by cos x is equal to 1. Tan x is equal to 1. Tan x is equal to 1 when 45 degrees. So next is tan is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant. Third quadrant 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means above 90. So in the given problem, what we have to given? Condition is given. Condition. Which condition? The x value in between only 0 to pi by 2. So pi by 4 is the 0 to pi by 2 in between pi by 4 value. So finally x is equal to what? Pi by 4. But x is a single value. X is a single value means that given function have either minimum value or maximum value, either minimum or maximum, any value. So minimum minimum value or maximum value, which value that function have which value, means how to decide? Second derivative test. Second derivative test means again derivative with respect to x. This is h dash of x, h double dash of x. H double dash of x is equal to cos x derivative minus sin x minus sin x derivative cos x. Apply h double dash of c. C is equal to what? Pi by 4. That is equal to minus sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. So this is less than 0 or greater than 0? Less than negative value. Minus 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2. This is negative or positive? This is important. So value is not important. Is less than 0 or greater than 0? So less than 0. Less than 0 means what? F double dash of c less than 0 means which value? Which value is there? Maximum value. So h of pi by 4, h of pi by 4 is equal to what we have to find out? Find out the maximum value, f of c, and h of c. What is c? This is c, x value is c. So the x value substitute in the given function, x value substitute in the given function, we get maximum or minimum value, any value. So this is maximum value. So h of pi by 4 is equal to sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 is sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2 means root 2. 2 by root 2 means root 2. So which value is there? Less than 0. H double dash of c less than 0 means the local maxima. So maximum value, the maximum value is root 2. Root 2 is the maximum value. This is the meaning of given interval. Given interval, the interval is not given, means x is equal to pi by 4, pi plus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. Pi plus pi by 4 is a c value. So and so on. 5 pi by 4, next to 2 pi plus pi by 4, the 3 pi plus pi by 4. This is the not a finite value, infinite values there. Okay, this is next sin x plus cos x. Okay, so remaining remaining problems, so the same type we have to do. Next fourth problem, prove that following functions do not have maxima or minima. Prove that following functions do not have maxima and minima. Do not have. So prove that. What is the first one? E power x. Second one log x. Third one h of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So the first problem is f of x is equal to e power x, derivative with respect to x. So f dash of x is equal to e power x. Derivative of e power x, e power x. Next, what we have to do? F dash of x equal to 0. So e power x is equal to 0. When e power x is equal to 0, e power x is always positive value. Okay, not 0, not negatives. Okay, e power x is always positive numbers, positive value. Okay, so there is no x value. There is no x values. X values is not there means, x values are not there means there is no maxima, there is no x values is there means I have to x any x value. X value means substitute in the given function. The minimum value is the minimum value, or big value is the maximum value, small value is the minimum value. So there is no x value means there is no maxima and minima. This one enough. Next, second one, f of x is equal to log x. F of x is equal to log x. F dash of x is equal to 1 by x. Next, f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x is 0 means 1 by x is equal to 0. 1 by x when 0, when will 0? 1 by x. For example, x is equal to 0. 1 by 0 is to infinity. So x is equal to 1. 1 by 1, no, 1, no. 1 by x is equal to minus 1. 1 by minus 1, minus 1, no. So there is no x value. Because that for given function, it does not satisfy. 1 by x is always any number not equal to 0, a negative value or positive value, but any value, but not equal to 0. So no maxima and minima. Okay, right. Okay, okay, enough. Find the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum of the value of the following. Next question, find maximum and minimum value of the following. Find the maximum and minimum value of the following. First one, f of x is equal to x cube and the interval minus 2 to 2. Next, f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x when the interval 0 to pi. This is interval. You know closed interval, open interval, closed interval, open interval. F of x is equal to x cube minus 2 to 2, open interval, closed interval. These are a closed interval. Closed interval means what? Closed interval minus 2 to means minus 2 and below, minus 2 and below values means minus 2 coda, minus 2 also, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 also. That open interval minus 2 comma 2 means excluding minus 2 2 and minus 1, not minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. This is the meaning. So find the maximum and minimum value. This is solution. First one, f of x is equal to what? F of x is equal to x cube. What is the next step? Differentiate with respect to x. So f dash of x is equal to 3x square. Now next, f dash of x is equal to 0. So f dash of x is 0 means 3x square is equal to 0, x square is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, only single value. When single value we have to take in, there is no interval. Don't give the interval. So here interval also given. So x is equal to 0 value and in the interval the first and last value. So x is equal to minus 2, 2 also, because interval. Okay, interval is not given means only x is equal to 0 value. Interval is given means that first value, last value coda. So what is the maximum value, minimum value? First, f of 0. F of 0 is equal to what? 0 cube is equal to 0. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole cube is equal to minus 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube is equal to 2. What is the minimum value? Maximum value. Maximum value is what? In 0, minus 8 to 8, in 3 values, what is the maximum value and what is the highest value? What is the big value? Maximum value is 8. So minimum value is what? In 3, minus 8 to 8 to 0. Which one is the minimum value? Minus 8 is minimum value. This one. So here the same problem in the before problem. Okay, before problem we did calculate the problem already. We did do the problem. So same. What is the difference between the before problem and this problem? Before problem, sin x plus cos x in the interval 0 less than x less than pi by 2. This is closed interval 0 comma 5. So derivative with respect to x. So f dash of x is equal to sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x. So f dash of x is equal to 0. Cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. Tan x is equal to 1. That is equal to tan pi by 4. tan is positive in first and third quadrant. In third quadrant, which function? Pi plus pi by 4. Okay, so x is equal to pi by 4 and the first and last value 0 comma pi. So f of pi by 4, f of pi by 4 is equal to what? Sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, that is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is equal to 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 is equal to root 2. F of 0. F of 0 is equal to sin 0 plus cos 0. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. F of pi, sin pi. Sin pi plus cos pi. Sin pi 0, cos pi minus 1. So minus 1. What in 3 values? In 3 values, what is the maximum value? What is the maximum value is root 2 means what? Root 2 is 1 point something. Okay, so maximum value is root 2. Minimum value is minus 1. No. So up to now the 4 types of problems. First one, direct functions, there is no intervals. Next modulus, this type of functions. Next third one, only between intervals, so 0 to 90, 0 to in between values. And fourth one is closed interval. This is also interval. That is the open interval. This is the closed interval. What is the difference between closed interval and open interval? Closed interval means excluding first and last. And the closed interval means including first and last. That is the difference. Okay. This is 4 types of problems. Next, very important problems today. Sir, important problems nade. Okay, understand? If you have any doubt, then I will explain tomorrow once again. So this is the one of the models, so many models. This is direct function. So next some indirectly the company profit, company loss. So this type of asking the problem, the profit. Profit means what? Maximum. Profit what is the profit to loss? So the same problem we have to ask different styles. Okay. And in the exercise, some more problems are there. We have to practice. Okay. Only simple, totally in the maxima and minima and the chapter, only 3 points. First points, you have to given any type of problem. Okay. They have to given any type of problem. So any type of problem we have to calculate same method, 3 steps. First step, derivative. The interval are given, interval are not given. Okay, this is any type of problems. Any type of problem, first we can do three types of working rules. The first one, derivative with respect to x, and that derivative on f dash of x equal to 0 and find out x values. Next, second one, f double dash of x. Okay, f double dash of x, and that apply our substitute in the f double dash of x, substitute the x value. Okay, find out some x values are there. Substitute x values in f double dash of x. In f double dash of x, substitute that value, we get the value is negative, means less than 0. Less than 0 means that function has, less than 0 means what? That function has maximum value, has only. That function has maximum value. The greater than f double dash of c greater than 0 means that function has minimum value. Find minimum value, maximum. How to find value? Minimum value is there, but calculate. Find out minimum value, maximum value. How to find out minimum value, maximum value? That x value substitute in the given function or any type of function. X value substitute in the given function. F of 0, f of pi by 4, f of 5 means x value substitute in the given function. The two or more values are there. The minimum, small value is minimum value, big value is maximum value. So intervals are given. Intervals, this type of problems, intervals are given. To find out x values and in the interval, the first one, last one, the additional values are taken. Or will taken. So substitute. This is the models. Any type of problem. Same procedure or three steps. F dash of x equal to 0, find out x, f double dash of x less than 0, greater than 0. This is the same type of models. Okay. E type, e concept. Okay, we'll use the so many problems are there in the textbook, and we have to do, we can do, or we have to do some more problems and practice them. This one. Okay, Sunday or Monday or anyone, Sunday or Monday, this is totally the application of derivatives chapter. That's first of all derivative chapter. Derivative, total derivative chapter. Exam. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow, don't absent anyone. Very, very important. Compulsory 99% to compulsory 3 marks questions in the chapter. Very, very important. 5 or 6 problems are there. So, don't absent anyone tomorrow. Thank you.